on in.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Who are you?
My name's Austin. I drive a Subaru WRX and an E30. And my favorite food
We don't need to
is...
know your favorite food.
Alright.
So who are you?
I'm Johnny, and I drive a turbo E24. And what else?
So who are you?
My name's Jordan. I drive a 6-speed E32 750IL, and I'm not an idiot.
So this is what we'll be driving today. Follow me.
This is my 1984 733i with a M60 swap. We decided to make a video series of my friends driving the car. We're starting with the E23 because it's pretty easy to drive and they should have some fun with it.
So to decide who drives first, we're gonna settle this like men and throw rocks.
How about the farther than mine? Man, this sea is old. Wait, do I just start driving? Whoa! This thing is quick! Man, this is snappy. It is so snappy. Wow, it handles really well. This is really good. The steering's really soft though. I don't know how to change that, but the steering is really soft. We're gonna go over some railroad bumps. Oh God. Whoa. Not bad. I don't know what to say. Ooh. Ooh.
Clutch is super easy. Not bad at all. I have no idea what that was. Ooh, exhaust is good. I like that. For those of you that don't know, I'm actually Cameron's brother, so I've seen this car. I've driven it once actually, but I've never really driven it hard, so we'll see. Also, the story behind this is this engine and transmission is actually out of my 6-speed E32 740i I had. So it's pretty cool to see. Well, it got rear-ended, so we had to make use of the engine and we put it in this E23. So even though it's not my car, I feel like I've driven it a lot, technically.
This is good. This is all you need. This is the best formula. 4 doors, 5-speed, and a V8. Wow, I'm going really slow over everything. I don't want to ruin this car. And it's... Dang, it just goes. There's torque everywhere. Alright. Oh, dude, this thing is so sick.
One thing I do notice is it has the click tuning shifter and it's low. I kind of don't like how notchy it is. It's like overly notchy since BMW 6-speeds are already so notchy. But
I could daily drive this. Okay. This is really good. This is really good. Instant throttle response. Wow. This feels amazing.
This is so nice to cruise in. I like it. I like it a lot. This is a cool car. Also, since it's Cameron's car, I don't really feel bad if I abuse it a little bit more, so I'm sure I'll drive it a little bit harder than the other two. Faster than my 740, which it's literally the same drivetrain. It's just, I guess, like 600 pounds lighter.
Everything feels good, solid inside. No rattles. No rattles or anything. This is pretty held together super well. 1984? This is luxury.
So easy to drive though. I literally haven't driven a manual car in like, I don't know, a year and a half maybe. My car's just been under maintenance for so long, but holy cow, this is so easy. So easy.
Wow, this is good. Brakes are really good. You don't need more than this. This is more than enough. This is too good.
Oh my god. Dude. Yeah, I could see myself driving this like every day. I guess since it doesn't have heat or AC though, it's might be a little hard in winter or summer. But overall, I like it. This car's sick. This car's actually epic. I love it, I love it, love it, love it.
It's good. It's really good. It's not, I don't know. It's not that scary. Your Turbo E30 is way scarier. This is nice. I could daily drive this.
This thing is crazy. This thing is so fun. Oh my god, that's actually epic. Pretty much my car already, so.
Fun factor, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Fecal factor, I'm gonna give it a 0 out of 10 because it didn't scare me at all. It's really intimidating. The daily drivability, I'll give it probably a 5 out of 10. No, actually, other than the heat, I'd give it a 7 out of 10 because I could drive this every day. It's really low, but you can do it. Practicality, there's a clothes hook thing or hanger. You can hang your clothes, and it's really nice. It's leather, nothing rattles, so I get an 8 out of 10.
All right, so for this car, I'd probably give the fun factor for it, honestly, a 7 out of 10. Super fun. Fecal factor though, probably like a 1 or 2. 1.5. Easy drivability, super easy.
I'd probably give that literally like a 9 out of 10. The only thing is that, you know, you get like a few little clunks while shifting, so you don't really know like which one you're in and stuff. Super practical. I'd probably give it an 8 out of 10. That's my review.
Okay, so fun factor, I'd give it 7 out of 10 because it's fast, it drives good, it's not like crazy or anything. Vehicle factor, I'd actually give like a 3 out of 10 because even though it doesn't try to kill you, I think it's like deceivingly fast because it's smooth. Also doesn't have ABS or anything, so it'd probably die in winter. Ease of drivability, I give it 9. It drives super easy. I don't really have any issues with it. My car's a lot worse. Practicality, give it like a 6, probably because I feel like you definitely can't drive in winter. It's kind of low. I feel like you'll rip the front lip off a lot or something. But yeah, that's it.
Go. Give it a thumbs up.